We want to draw a diagram to represent the inequality y is less than or equal to -1, shading the required region. For y is less than or equal to -1, we need to draw the line y equals -1. The less than or equal to says the line needs to be solid. The line y equals -1 is a horizontal line through -1. We should label the line. We want the region less than, and we need to shade it. Y is less than -1 below the line, so we shade the region below the line.